Welcome again on Igbo History TV. Please help us by subscribing to this channel. Today we are going to talk about the history and origin of Lagos. Lagos was originally inhabited by the Awari subgroup of the Yoruba people in the 15th century. The Awari moved to an island called now Ido and then to the larger Lagos Island. The Awaris, who were predominantly fishermen and hunters, called it Oko because the area was dominated by the then expansive Oyo Empire. They called it Eko from the late 16th century to the mid-19th century. The name Eko was given to it by its first Awari traditional settlers, Obado. Eko is the native name for Lagos to date. Lagos, Portuguese for legs, was a name given to the settlement by the Portuguese. Throughout history, it was home to a number of warring ethnic Yoruba groups who had settled in the area. Following its early settlement by the Awari nobility, the state first came to the attention of the Portuguese in the 15th century. Portuguese explorer Rui de Sequeira visited the area in 1472, naming the area around the city Lago de Curamo, which means Lake of Curamo. In Britain's early 19th century fight against the transatlantic slave trade, East West African Squadron, or Preventive Squadron as it was also known, continued to pursue Portuguese, American, French and Cuban slave ships and to impose anti-slavery treaties with West African coastal chiefs with so much doggedness that they created a strong presence along the West African coast from Sierra Leone all the way to the Naija Delta, today's Nigeria, and as far south as Congo in 1849. Britain appointed John Beecroft consul of the Bies of Benin and Biafra, a position he held along with his governorship of Fernanda Po until his death in 1854. John Duncan was appointed vice consul and was located at Wida at the time of Beecroft's appointment. The kingdom of Lagos under Obas Kosoko was in the western part of the consulate of the Bies of Benin and Biafra and was a key slave trading port. In 1851, and with pressure from liberated slaves who now wielded political and business influence,